Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 43. Let us begin with question number 1. Consider the figures given below. So there is some sequence followed here. We need to find this question mark. Without wasting any time, let us solve this question. Now you see the circle here, it comes here, it goes here, it again comes here. Now in this diagram, obviously, which position it will take? It will take this position because after this it has to come here. Now out of these options, you can eliminate D, you can eliminate B. Similarly, the square follows the circle. So that means if the circle is here, the square has to be here. If the square is here, the other circle, which is not colored, it has to be present in this position as I have drawn here. So you can see in both these cases, the position are the same. So you cannot eliminate A and C. Now let us see the triangle here. Triangle is first here. It takes a clockwise direction, comes here, again goes down, comes here. Now it has to go to the top position. So the triangle has to be here. I don't know whether it would be a upward facing or the downward facing. So let me see the options. One triangle is here, the other triangle is here. Obviously C is eliminated because the position is fixed. Had this option been like this, I would have gone for checking whether it is facing up or down. Clear? So don't waste your time in checking whether it is up or down if you are able to eliminate them. Clear? Let us go to the next question. That is question number 2. There is a sequence here. You need to find the missing number. Clearly, I can see 8, 56 are related, 10, 90 are related, 2, 2 are related, 1, 0 related, 3, 6 related. That is 3 into 2, 8 into 7, 10 into 9, 2 into 1. I don't know. It will be some x. This is 1 into 0. 3 into 2 is 6. This is first number into first number minus 1. That is the result. Second number. Clear? That means first के लिए 3 into 3 minus 1, 8 into 8 minus 1. Clear? 8, 7, 56. 10 into 10 minus 1. Got it? Similarly, here it will be x into x minus 1. That is 20. What you're going to do is you put the formula. Suppose the first option, 5. Can I say 5 into 4 is 20? Obviously. Had 5 been positioned here, 7 been positioned here. So आप पहले 7 को check करते. 7 into 6, is it 20? No. 0 into minus 1, is it 20? No. 5 into 4, is it 20? Yes. So your answer would be 5. Got it? यहाँ पे first वाला hit हो गया. That is why we went for 5. Or else you're gonna check it. Clear? So your answer is 5. Coming to the next problem, that is question number 3. What is the missing number x of this series? 7x, 21, 31, 43. Can I establish a code here? Plus 12. This is plus 10. What I can see, there is an increase of 2 in the addition. This will be plus 8. This will be plus 6. Is it a right fit? I don't know. Let me check. Can I find x as 13? Yes. 13 plus 8 is 21. Yes. Now you can see a pattern. The difference increases by 2. Clear? So I got the answer here. So your answer would be 13. Coming to the next problem. 8, 6, 4, 10, 6, 5, 15, 8, 7, 13, 4, 8. What I'm going to do is, since I need a 6 here, let me see how can I get a 6. If I add them, no way. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. No way. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 plus 4 minus 4. 12 minus 6 equals to 6. That means the first number plus the third number minus the second number. Okay. You might find these things are okay. It's like giving a solution because I have no clue here. It's not say geometry or a PNC where I can help you with some logic. But यहाँ पे it is all about hitting the right sequence. If you're able to do it, then only you can solve it. Or else I would tell you, don't waste your time in such questions. 1 minute is your maximum time you can waste. Clear? If you get it, you get it. Or else skip it. Clear? Similarly, 10 plus 6 is 16 minus 5 is 11. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 minus 7 is 16. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 minus 4 is 17. So your answer is 17. Got it? Let us go to the next question. That is question number 5. Consider the sequence given below. 4, 12, 95, 1, 1, 96. What is the difference here? 28 days. 1, 1, 96, 29, 1, 96. What is the difference here? 28 days. 29, 1, 96, 26, 2, 96. What is the difference here? 28 days. 26 to 96 say how much? You get a 28 days difference. Now you're going to find it. I'm leaving this task to you people. Clear? 28 days ka difference. Why I'm leaving this task? Because this is a leap year. You need to check that. Okay. I hope you can do this. Let us proceed to the next problem. Question number 6. Consider the figures given below. Find the fit. Circle, 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 square, square. So I need to have a square here. Which is the option? A option. Got it? Easy question. Clear? Let us go to the next problem. Question number 7. This is a square. Square again comes here. Now it comes here. Now it takes a turn, comes here. It goes here again. Now here it comes. Now in this next position, it will come here. Now where is the square here? In this only case, the square is present here. In rest other cases, the square is absent. So your answer is B. Got it? So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. We'll see you again in the next lecture. That is lecture number 44. Till then, have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Jai Hind.